Okay, I'm just going to buy some freshly baked Georgian bread. So I'm gonna go to a place where I know that they cook it, and it's somewhere here in this part here. You can see there is Georgian bread. We're here. Georgian bread. This is the place, and there you see Puri, and this is the person that cooks the bread. So I'm gonna wait for my bread to be prepared. Traditional Georgian bread. Just put it inside the oven until it gets cooked. Just have to wait for a few minutes because it's still not ready. I'm gonna take my bread because probably it's ready. Yes, that's it. Wow. I'm ready. One. How much? One? Thank you very much. This is a fantastic piece of Georgian bread called Puri. It's just hot, recently taken out of the oven. I'm sure it's very fresh. I'm gonna enjoy it.